My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Zipp3rs. By the way, this ransomware is from the XORist ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then this ransomware reveals this ransom note. I guess it is in Portuguese language. It also drops some other ransom notes on the desktop titled as How to Decrypt Files. And indeed, it appends this special Zipp3rs extension additionally to the file names. It is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Therefore, if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your funds. Don't pay it. What we recommend you to do is immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So through this official website, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the software, then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin, and then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. So then some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your files in the future.